Minglaba, Dinjan is an ancient festival of Myanmar tradition which has been celebrated since Bagan era, 9th to 13th centuries. It was deeply established during King Anorata's reign, 11th century, with evidence on stone inscriptions found at Sola Wumbagoda in Bagan, dating back to 1291. The festival was celebrated by all, including the Raya family, who would pour water on the ground with springs of the Pi. It traditionally involved water pouring to cleanse impurities and misfortunes from the previous year, making the descent of the Jamin and is a crucial part of Buddhist culture. The festival involves Buddhist rituals, performing good deeds, releasing captive animals, and paying homage to elders, alongside the water sprinkling tradition. Several Burmese films have portrayed the Jam Festival, highlighting its cultural significance and festive spirit. Notable examples include The Jamo, which is a classic musical drama that follows the lives of young people during the festival. The film is well known for its songs and is considered a cultural touchstone of Dinjan. Today, I'm going to perform Myanmar Dinjan Festival dance with one of the most popular songs in the Jamo. Please enjoy.
Sun it, you,